Antarctica, the vast icy continent located at the southernmost part of the Earth, is not only a land of breathtaking beauty but also a vital component of our planet's climate system. As climate change continues to impact our world, Antarctica's delicate ecosystem faces unprecedented challenges. In response, nations around the globe have been working together to develop comprehensive climate change policies aimed at protecting this unique region. This article explores the significance of Antarctica, the threats it currently faces due to climate change, and the policies being implemented to mitigate these challenges. Understanding Antarctica's importance. Antarctica plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. Its massive ice sheets reflect sunlight, helping to cool the planet. Additionally, the Southern Ocean surrounding the continent absorbs and stores vast amounts of carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas responsible for global warming. This absorption acts as a natural buffer against climate change. Furthermore, the unique wildlife that calls Antarctica home, such as penguins, seals, and krill, is intricately connected to the surrounding environment, creating a delicate balance that could be disrupted by shifting climate patterns. Climate change threats in Antarctica. Despite its remote location, Antarctica is not immune to the impacts of climate change. The continent has been experiencing rapid warming, which is causing the ice sheets and glaciers to melt at an accelerating rate. This not only contributes to rising sea levels but also disrupts the ecosystem's balance, threatening the survival of numerous species. Additionally, changing weather patterns can impact wildlife migration, breeding, and feeding habits, leading to potential declines in populations. Moreover, the loss of ice has the potential to release stored greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, further exacerbating global warming. International cooperation. The Antarctic Treaty System. Recognizing the urgency of addressing climate change in Antarctica, nations have come together under the Antarctic Treaty System, a framework that promotes scientific research and international cooperation. The treaty was signed in 1959 and entered into force in 1961, establishing the region as a scientific preserve and banning military activity. Since then, various protocols and agreements have been adopted to address emerging issues, including the Protocol on Environmental Protection. The Protocol on Environmental Protection. The Protocol on Environmental Protection to the Antarctic Treaty, also known as the Madrid Protocol, is a milestone in the effort to address climate change in Antarctica. Adopted in 1991, the protocol designates Antarctica as a natural reserve, devoted to peace and science. It sets forth strict regulations to prevent any activity that might have adverse effects on the environment, including regulations related to waste management, wildlife protection, and the prohibition of mineral resource exploration and exploitation until at least 2048. Scientific research and monitoring. A cornerstone of climate change policies in Antarctica is scientific research and monitoring. The Antarctic Treaty System facilitates international collaboration in conducting scientific studies to better understand the impacts of climate change on the region. Researchers study ice melt, sea level rise, wildlife behavior, and more to gather data that informs policy decisions. This scientific foundation is essential for accurately assessing the state of Antarctica's environment and its responses to climate change. Mitigation and adaptation strategies. Reducing emissions. While Antarctica itself contributes little to greenhouse gas emissions, global efforts to reduce emissions play a significant role in mitigating climate change there. The Paris Agreement, adopted in 2015, aims to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. By adhering to this agreement, nations collectively contribute to reducing the impact of climate change on Antarctica. Marine protected areas. Establishing marine protected areas, MPAs, around Antarctica helps safeguard its unique marine ecosystems. These areas restrict human activity in sensitive regions, allowing wildlife to thrive without unnecessary disturbances. MPAs can also serve as reference sites for studying natural processes in the face of climate change. Renewable energy implementation. Some research stations in Antarctica are transitioning to renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. This shift not only minimizes carbon emissions but also sets an example for sustainable practices in other parts of the world. Educational and awareness initiatives. Raising public awareness about the importance of Antarctica and the threats it faces is crucial for garnering support for climate change policies. Education and outreach programs can inspire individuals to take action, from making environmentally conscious choices in their daily lives to advocating for stronger climate policies on a global scale. Challenges and future outlook. Despite the collaborative efforts and policies in place, challenges remain in addressing climate change in Antarctica. The remoteness and harsh climate of the region pose logistical challenges for research and monitoring. Balancing economic interests with environmental protection can also be complex, especially as demand for resources grows. Additionally, the transient nature of political administrations in some nations can impact long-term commitment to climate change policies. Looking ahead, continued international cooperation, bolstered by the scientific community's findings, is essential. Stricter regulations, further expansion of protected areas, and the adoption of innovative technologies will likely play crucial roles in safeguarding Antarctica's fragile ecosystem. As the effects of climate change become more pronounced, the global community must remain steadfast in its commitment to preserving this pristine region for current and future generations. Conclusion. Antarctica's significance in regulating the Earth's climate cannot be overstated. As the consequences of climate change become increasingly evident, international collaboration and policies are crucial for mitigating the threats facing this fragile ecosystem. The Antarctic Treaty System, along with agreements like the Protocol on Environmental Protection, provides a framework for nations to work together in preserving Antarctica's unique environment. By implementing measures such as marine protected areas, renewable energy adoption, and raising public awareness, the global community can strive to protect Antarctica and ensure its role in maintaining the planet's climate stability. Through concerted efforts, we can safeguard this icy continent and the invaluable lessons it teaches us about the importance of taking action against climate change. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.